Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
The power of money. Money is something we all chase, think about, dream about, yet most people never truly understand its real power because money is not just a tool you earn. Money is a force you learn to control, a mirror that exposes your habits, your mindset, and the level of belief you hold about yourself. The truth is simple: your financial life will never rise higher than your mindset. Money does not change who you are, it reveals who you are. It magnifies your confidence, your discipline, your fears, and your potential. And once you understand this, you stop seeing money as a problem and start seeing it as an opportunity. This is where transformation begins, not in your wallet, but in your thoughts, not in what you earn, but in what you believe you can earn, not in the money you hold, but in the money you learn to create. Today, we step into a new understanding, a way of thinking that separates those who struggle financially from those who build wealth, freedom, and success. Because the real power of money is not found in the number you make, but in the person you become. Money grows where attention flows. Most people say they want more money, but their actions speak a different language. They focus on problems, not opportunities. They focus on limitations, not potential. But here's the truth: money follows clarity. When you know exactly what you want, how much you want, why you want it, and what you are willing to do to get it, you activate a different level of power within yourself. Money doesn't come to confusion, money comes to purpose. Your mindset is your first million. Before you ever see a dollar, you must build the mentality that attracts dollars. A poor mindset says, I can't afford this. A wealthy mindset asks, how can I afford this? One closes the door, the other opens your imagination. Your thoughts create your reality. If you believe you are not worthy of wealth, you will subconsciously sabotage your own success. But once you believe you deserve more, you start making decisions that align with that belief. Your first million is made in your mind, not your wallet. Money rewards value, not time. If you trade time for money, your income will always have a ceiling. But if you trade value for money, solutions, skills, creativity, leadership, your income becomes limitless. Ask yourself, what value do I bring to the world? What problems can I solve? What skills can I master that people would pay for? Money is simply a measurement of the value you deliver. Increase your value and money will chase you. You don't get rich by saving, you get rich by growing. Saving is important, but you cannot save your way to wealth. Inflation rises, prices rise, life changes. Wealth is built through creation, not restriction. Every dollar you invest in growth is a seed that multiplies. Every dollar you hide out of fear remains just a dollar. Money grows when you grow. Look at the people around you. Do they complain or do they create? Do they blame or do they build? Energy is contagious, and so is mindset. If you want to think bigger, earn bigger, and live bigger, you must surround yourself with people who do the same. Your environment can either fuel your dreams or destroy them. Remember this: you cannot change your life while staying around people who are committed to staying the same. Wealth starts with belief, but it grows with discipline. Motivation is powerful, but motivation fades. Discipline is what builds empires. Anyone can get excited about money for a day, but only those who stay consistent, those who plan, track, learn, adjust, execute, become unstoppable. Small steps repeated daily create massive results. Save intentionally, invest consistently, learn constantly, execute relentlessly. Wealth is not built in a moment, it is built in your momentum. Money is not the goal, freedom is the goal. And money is simply the tool that allows you to build that freedom. When you master your money, you unlock the ability to choose your future, control your time, support your loved ones, build something meaningful, live on your own terms. Wealth is not just about having more, it's about becoming more. And the moment you decide to think bigger, act bolder, and believe deeper, your entire financial world begins to shift. You have the power. Start today. Your future self is waiting.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.